So here's a tutorial for using the propane fireplace with the Valor Max remote. So the remote is relatively complex, so I'm going to cover the basic features here. To turn it on, we have to light the pilot light, and you can see that there's a little spark here by pushing between the bottom of the left side and these. So I'm going to hold those together, and you'll hear the thing beep, and you can release it. And then you'll note right down here above the glass, you'll see it flicker and you'll see the pilot light come on. So the pilot light is now on and it's ready to turn on. So at this point, simply pressing the up button in the manual setting, you'll see it come to the first set of flame height, and I can continue to press the up button and it will go to higher flame height, which will put out more heat. It's important to note that we have an electric heat pump for heating the house, and when the weather gets really cold, like 40 degrees and below, this is necessary to help heat the house, because if the heat pump does it alone, it can do it, but it will do it with a massive amount of electricity, and the electricity bills are insane. So anytime the temperature is 40 or below, we're going to want to augment that with the fireplace. The full controls, if you want to know how to get in and do the advanced features, this is in the house manual for the remote. The other feature you might want to control is if you hit the set button, it goes to the temperature setting. So this way you can adjust the temperature up and down by pressing set, holding it in that, and then that temperature changes, so you could maybe change that from 74 to 76. And then once you get it to where you want it to be, let's say 76, you hit the stop, okay? And that takes you out of the temperature setting. And then setting, there is no light, so that one does nothing. Then when you get to the fan, you can press the up button, and there are 4 settings of fans. And if you're trying to warm the house, you're gonna definitely want to use the fan. It'll make a big difference. And then anytime you press the up and down buttons, you're gonna go to the manual mode, which will turn up the flame height. Then I pressed the stop button, which turned off the pilot light, so I need to bring that back on. Okay, so now we have the fan running and the heater. We can bring the, if you hit this twice, it automatically goes to high, which is the highest flame setting. So that will give you your maximum heat. And that'll just keep running until you get too warm, and then you can turn the fan down. This remote control lives on the wall next to the fireplace.